Good morning, I didn't expect to see you running here.
Good morning. I usually come to this park on weekends. It's much quieter than the gym.
I agree, running outside feels much more refreshing.
Absolutely. The fresh air gives me more energy.
How long have you been jogging?
About 3 years now. I started during the pandemic.
That's impressive, I only started a few months ago.
Really? You're keeping a great pace.
Thanks, I'm trying to be more consistent.
Consistency is the hardest part.
Exactly, some mornings I just want to stay in bed.
Me too, but I remind myself how good I feel after exercising.
That's a good way to stay motivated.
Do you usually run alone?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes my sister joins me.
Running with someone can make the time pass faster.
Definitely, you can talk while running, although not too much.
Otherwise, you'll lose your breath.
Exactly.
Do you listen to music while running?
Sometimes, other days I prefer listening to birds and nature.
I like podcasts,
Really, what kind?
mostly personal development and business podcasts.
That's productive.
I feel like I'm exercising my body and my mind at the same time.
That's smart. I usually listen to relaxing music.
Music definitely helps maintain a steady rhythm.
Have you ever participated in a marathon?
Not a full marathon. I've completed 2 half marathons.
Wow, that must have required a lot of training.
It did, but crossing the finish line was unforgettable.
I'd like to try a 10K race one day.
That's a great goal.
Maybe next spring.
You have plenty of time to prepare.
How often do you train?
4 times a week.
That's more than I expected.
I mix running with strength training.
Does strength training really help runners?
Absolutely. Strong legs reduce the risk of injuries.
I should probably start doing that too.
Even 2 short sessions each week can make a difference.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome.
Besides running, do you play any other sports?
I enjoy cycling during the summer.
That sounds fun.
It is. Sometimes I ride over 50 kilometers.
50, that's incredible.
It sounds harder than it actually is.
I haven't ridden a bicycle in years.
You should try again. It's something you never really forget.
That's true.
What do you usually do after your morning run?
I go home, make a healthy breakfast, and then start working.
Working from home.
Yes, I'm a graphic designer.
That explains why you can run early in the morning.
Exactly, what about you?
I work in IT, but my office starts at 9.
That's convenient.
Running helps me focus throughout the day.
I noticed the same thing.
Do you have a favorite healthy breakfast?
Greek yogurt with fruit and granola.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
Oatmeal with bananas and honey.
That's a classic.
It keeps me full for hours.
Maybe I'll try that tomorrow.
You should.
The weather is perfect today.
It really is. Not too hot and not too cold.
Days like this make running enjoyable.
Exactly. Summer afternoons can be exhausting.
Especially under direct sunlight.
That's why I always run early.
Good idea.
Well, I think I'm going to finish one more lap around the park.
Me too, it was nice talking with you.
Likewise, maybe we'll meet here again next weekend.
I hope so, have a great day.
You too, enjoy your run.
See you next time.
See you, stay healthy.